Hi guys, today another package from China related to my drone. As you probably know, most modern drones, besides the main camera, have another camera here at the bottom, and that's used for precise position control. So you'd think that GPS provides the positioning, that's one thing, but GPS is actually not that precise, and the camera on the bottom uses pattern recognition and allows the drone to land exactly in the same spot from which it took off. But for that to be possible, you need some distinguished areas which will be contrasting with the surroundings, and for that we have a landing pad like this. We're testing it today because it's quite windy and we don't want the spark to fly away. Nice and convenient, should fit in the drone bag. Not exactly in the pocket here, but should fit on top. Let's see if it zips up. Fits perfectly. Construction just like in one of those photo reflective screens. Okay, so we've got 3 pegs like this to secure the pad down so the wind doesn't blow it away. I'm just wondering if I'll be able to take it on board a plane. Plastic's not sharp, but it's pointed, so maybe we'll just have to cut them perpendicularly to have a dull ending. Now for the landing pad. We even got some free extras, some reflective tape. Orange on one side and blue on the other. Now if I only remember how to fold this up. Twist and pack it up in here. So I guess this reflective tape, I guess you're supposed to put it on the pad, and this reflective layer will reflect the infrared from the drone sensors, but they'll probably come off with a repetitive folding and folding of a pad, so we won't apply these. So that's it for today. If you'd like a pad like this, you'll find the link below. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.